I'm Jeremy Fisher, and we're looking at the song In Your Eyes by Peter Gabriel. This is an adaptation of the song for solo acoustic guitar, and it's in DADGAD tuning, which I'll go over in the tutorial. If you're looking for more tutorials, please like and subscribe. It really helps me build the channel and bring you more content just like this. All right, my guitar is tuned to DADGAD, which means the names of the strings are D, A, D, G, A, D. So if you're not already in DADGAD, get your tuner out and start with your low E and spell DADGAD. So tune your low E down a full step, keep your A string where it is, keep your D string where it is, and G, and then you're gonna tune down your B string to an A, down a full step, and your high E will go down to a D as well. And when you strum it open, it should sound like that. Because I'm in an alternate tuning and I've got all these open strings ringing out, that would technically add a bunch of chord extensions and make the chord names longer on some of these chords, but I'm just gonna use the simple triad and let's just accept that these strings are ringing out, okay? So let's call this one B minor. Looks like this. F sharp minor. G. And back to F sharp minor. So slowed down a little bit, I'm just doing a standard up-down strumming pattern, but I'm doing a little push when I go to that first F sharp minor. So here we go. All right, so this is my favorite part of the song, the pre-chorus, the All My Instincts part, and we're gonna go to an A major. And then we're gonna go to a different version, a more robust version of the B minor. And then a version of the G major that's 2 frets down from the A major we did. All right, so the pre-chorus is... So you can decide how detailed you want to get here. You can just play... You can just play the chords, or you can do some combination of palm muting and arpeggiating the chords like this. I'll slow it down. I'm gonna slow that arpeggiation and the palm muting down even a little bit more here to show you the details of what I'm doing. So on the da-da-da-da-da, I'm palm muting everything except for the high notes. So I'm going 6th string, and I'm alternate picking as well. 6th string, 4th string, 3rd string, 1st string, 3rd string. And then strumming the whole thing, and then that same pattern. 6, 4, 3, 1, 3. Now we get to the chorus, and the chorus is a little bit of a handful, but the voicings are actually pretty easy. We've got a big bar chord here to make like an E5 chord. So I'm barring at the 2nd fret, and then I'm using my pinky on the 3rd string on the 4th fret. So we're kind of changing key here. We've been in the key of D, B minor, I guess. I think of it as D. And I guess that's because we're in Dadgad and it's kind of an open D tuning. Anyway, so we go to this confident E5 chord on the downbeat. And then I've also incorporated some of Tony Levin's bass parts in here, just a little bit. So we got this E5. And then I just hit that single note, which is a bass note. It's like, and then we're going to an A over C sharp. And then a D, which is just like that E5. It's a D5 down there. Beautiful chord in Dadgad. Okay. So I'm doing like a down, up, down, down, up, down, and then I'm muting with my right and my left hand. So those are all the parts to the song, the verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus. And, you know, I take some liberties with the strumming. That's just how I play it. You can experiment with these voicings if you want to learn to play it in Dadgad and find something that works for you, and maybe you'll come up with something that's better. Remember, this is an adaptation of a song that's got a lot of instruments and is like one of the greatest arrangements in pop music history. So we're just trying to take it here and adapt it to the acoustic guitar and have some fun with it. If you're looking for more tutorials and downloadable chord charts or tabs, or to connect with me personally, please visit patreon.com/JeremyFisherMusic. And I'll see you here soon for another music tutorial.